Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $6,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
1987 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon 4D. 1987 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon brings back the charm of classic American family cruisers with timeless styling and practical space. Offered at just $3,500, this vintage wagon is an affordable way to own a piece of automotive history without breaking the bank. Powered by an automatic transmission and showing 140,000 miles, it has already received several valuable upgrades, including a brand new front suspension and fresh brakes for improved driving confidence. The attractive blue exterior is perfectly matched by a clean blue interior that has been well cared for over the years. While the air conditioning currently isn't working, the wagon remains a solid candidate for weekend cruises, local car shows, or a fun restoration project. Located in Ozone Park, New York, this Caprice offers plenty of classic character, comfortable seating, and dependable V8-era appeal. If you're searching for a budget-friendly vintage wagon with personality, this one deserves a closer look. 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe 2D. 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe stands out with its unmistakable design and legendary front-wheel drive engineering that made it one of America's most innovative classics. Priced at $4,000, this unique coupe offers an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts looking for an affordable restoration project. Equipped with an automatic transmission and driven 95,328 miles, it runs and drives while benefiting from new brakes, fresh brake lines, and a brand new 2-inch exhaust system extending from the headers. The green exterior, originally finished in white, gives the car a distinctive personality, while the black interior complements its vintage appearance. Although it needs some floor pan repairs, the body remains in respectable condition for its age. Located in Dagsboro, Delaware, this Toronado combines rarity, style, and mechanical upgrades into one appealing package. It's an excellent choice for collectors wanting a classic coupe with strong potential and plenty of room to make it their own. 1969 Ford Galaxy 500 Country Sedan Wagon. 1969 Ford Galaxy 500 Country Sedan Wagon proves that classic wagons can still deliver style, comfort, and impressive V8 performance. Offered for $5,900, this one-owner survivor is an excellent opportunity for anyone wanting a spacious vintage cruiser. Under the hood sits a dependable 390 V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a durable 9-inch rear axle. Additional features include dual exhaust, power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning, Craig RS/S chrome wheels, and quality 245/60 R15 tires. The blue exterior and matching blue interior create an authentic period-correct appearance that stands out wherever it goes. It runs and drives well, although it could benefit from a little extra care to reach its full potential. Located in Vernon, New Jersey, this Galaxy wagon offers plenty of classic American personality, practical space, and enjoyable cruising ability, making it an excellent addition to any classic car collection or weekend adventure. 1977 Chevrolet Nova Coupe. 1977 Chevrolet Nova Coupe offers simple, honest classic American styling with the reliability needed to enjoy it right away. With an asking price of $5,000, this two-door classic provides excellent value for anyone searching for an affordable vintage Chevrolet. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing 80,000 miles, it runs well and has received many newer replacement parts over the years. The bright red exterior pairs beautifully with the tan interior, creating a timeless color combination that never goes out of style. This Nova comes with a clean title, has been inspected, and reports no significant damage or major mechanical issues. Located in Stoystown, Pennsylvania, it's ready for weekend cruises, local car shows, or simply enjoying a dependable piece of American automotive history. Whether you're a first-time classic car owner or an experienced enthusiast, this Nova offers a solid foundation with plenty of charm and everyday drivability. 1985 BMW 635 CSI. 1985 BMW 635 CSI captures the elegance of classic European grand touring with sleek styling and a rewarding driving experience. Priced at $5,500, this iconic coupe presents an excellent opportunity for BMW enthusiasts looking for a promising project. Equipped with a manual transmission and driven 124,000 miles, it runs and drives while already benefiting from completed bodywork and fresh primer, leaving it ready for the next stage of restoration. Inside, you'll find leather seats, a factory sunroof, and many original components, including the spare tire, tools, rear bumper, taillight, and 2 original keys. A clean title adds confidence for the next owner. Located in Lodi, New Jersey, this 635 CSI combines originality, classic styling, and strong enthusiast appeal in one affordable package. It's an ideal choice for someone wanting to preserve a legendary BMW, while adding their own finishing touches to create a truly standout vintage coupe. 1955 DeSoto Coupe. 1955 DeSoto Coupe is the kind of classic project that sparks excitement the moment you see it. Offered for only $3,800, this vintage coupe presents an affordable chance to own a rare piece of 1950s American automotive history. Although it's a project car, it still has plenty going for it. The engine runs rough, the gas tank has already been refurbished, and the floors, trunk, glass, grille, and complete dashboard remain in respectable condition. It will need rocker panel repairs and has not been started recently, so it should be transported by trailer rather than driven home. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it carries a clean New Jersey title and plenty of restoration potential. Located in Staten Island, New York, this DeSoto is perfect for hobbyists who enjoy bringing forgotten classics back to life. With patience and vision, it could become an eye-catching cruiser once again. 1966 Ford Galaxy Convertible. 1966 Ford Galaxy Convertible offers everything enthusiasts love about classic American cruising: open-air driving, V8 power, and timeless styling. Priced at $4,100, this affordable convertible is a fantastic opportunity for someone looking to restore and enjoy a true vintage icon. Powered by a smooth-running 289 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, it starts, runs, and drives well. One of its biggest highlights is the brand new convertible top, giving the car a fresh appearance while protecting the interior. The solid, straight body has only minimal rust, and good tires help make it ready for local drives while restoration plans take shape. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it captures the classic look of the mid-1960s perfectly. Located in Ocean View, New Jersey, this Galaxy comes with a good title and offers an excellent foundation for collectors seeking an affordable full-size convertible with plenty of character. 1966 Plymouth Fury. 1966 Plymouth Fury is a classic sedan that blends vintage style with dependable everyday drivability. Offered at $4,500, this well-kept American classic is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing only 60,000 miles, it starts easily and has very few reported issues. The black exterior pairs perfectly with the matching black interior, creating a timeless appearance that always stands out. New white-wall tires were recently installed, adding extra curb appeal, while the clean body shows only minor rust bubbling near the lower sections. The seller is willing to obtain the title on the day of sale, ensuring a smooth ownership transfer. Located near Williamsport, Pennsylvania, this Fury also wears antique plates, making it even more attractive for collectors. Whether you're looking for weekend cruises, local car shows, or a classic with solid potential, this Plymouth deserves serious consideration. 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe. 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe continues the legacy of one of America's most distinctive personal luxury cars, with bold styling and impressive engineering. Priced at $5,999, this low-mileage classic offers an exciting opportunity for collectors seeking something different. Showing just 31,000 miles, this one-owner vehicle starts easily and runs well. It also benefits from a rebuilt fuel system featuring a brand-new gas tank, helping improve reliability. Although it cannot currently be test-driven because it has no active insurance, the car is reported to perform well when running. The black exterior gives the Toronado an elegant, timeless appearance that perfectly suits its unique body design. Located in Bayonne, New Jersey, this rare coupe combines originality, low mileage, and excellent project potential. Whether preserved as is or restored to showroom condition, it represents an affordable chance to own one of Oldsmobile's most memorable and innovative classic automobiles. 1970 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. 1970 Cadillac DeVille Convertible captures the spirit of classic American luxury with its massive presence and unmistakable open-top styling. Available for only $3,995, this vintage Cadillac offers an affordable entry into one of the most recognizable convertibles of its era. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing 270,000 miles, the engine and transmission are both reported to operate properly, providing a solid starting point for restoration. The blue exterior paired with a white interior delivers a timeless color combination that perfectly matches the car's elegant design. While it currently needs brake and exhaust work, it can also serve as an excellent parts donor for another DeVille project. Located in Clifton, New Jersey, it comes with a clean title and no significant reported structural problems. Whether you're planning a restoration or searching for valuable components, this classic Cadillac still offers plenty of potential and unmistakable vintage appeal. 1978 Lincoln Continental Sedan 4D. 1978 Lincoln Continental Sedan represents full-size American luxury at its finest, combining impressive comfort with unmistakable vintage presence. Priced at $4,000, this elegant classic offers exceptional value for anyone searching for a spacious cruiser with collector appeal. Showing only 3,800 miles, it may retain its original mileage after spending years as part of a museum collection. Powered by the legendary 460 big block V8 and paired with an automatic transmission, it runs, drives, and stops exceptionally well. Finished in black with a blue interior, the color combination highlights the Continental's luxurious styling. Minor electrical attention is needed for the headlights and turn signals, but the overall condition remains remarkably solid. Located in Wells, Maine, this clean title Lincoln can either be driven home or transported by trailer. For enthusiasts seeking comfort, rarity, and classic American elegance at an affordable price, this Continental is certainly worth considering.